All right, so let's try to summarize some of the things we learned about factories. So first of all, we looked at factory method. And that's basically the idea that you take your existing object and you provide a static method that actually creates this object. And that already has certain advantages compared to a simple constructor. But then, of course, you can make a separate factory. So you can make a separate class which takes care of the creation of a particular object. And once again, you have a choice. Your factory can be completely external, so it can be a class which is side by side with the class which it creates, or it can be an inner class. And there are advantages to having an inner class because an inner class accesses the private members and the private constructors and so on of a particular object. So in some cases, it might make more sense to have a factory as an inner class than simply a class which is available to everyone on the outside. And in addition, we talked about hierarchies of factories, and these can be used to create related objects.